Step into the future with MCP-KQL-Server. Execute KQL queries directly within AI prompts, analyze and visualize data seamlessly. Redefine speed, intelligence, and insight.
Ready to supercharge your data analysis? With the MCP-KQL-Server. A quick copy of the repo link and you're on your way. Here you can see a clear flowchart of the tool's architecture.
We're prompting GitHub Copilot to install the MCP-KQL-Server directly from the repository. The best part? It's incredibly easy to install and integrate with any MCP client. And for those who prefer the command line, it's also available via a simple PIP command. Effortless setup, powerful results. Enabling the MCP-KQL-Server is just as simple. Head over to your GitHub Copilot's MCP tool settings, enable the MCP-KQL-Server, and you're all set. Now for the real magic. We're feeding sample authentication logs to AI prompt, asking Act as Security Operation Analyst. Use MCP-KQL-Server and announce the authentication logs. Watch how it intelligently crafts and executes KQL queries, analyzes the response, and learns from the data. Thanks to the KQL Schema Memory, it iteratively refines the queries to get to the heart of the matter. Look at that. Multiple KQL queries executed in seconds, and a beautifully structured investigation report with stunning visualizations. Querying is now not just easy, it's an absolute joy.
Ready to try it for yourself? Give the MCP-KQL-Server a spin, share your feedback, and don't forget to star the repository. Let's collaborate and make data analysis smarter together.